yet. Don't film yet.
We're on a train in a zoo. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Keep your hands in the car.
It is in the Keep it in the cart.
Depends when you're like.
Cause yeah.
Wait, we're on tracks?
Like actual tracks? Yeah, bro.
Okay, race it up. Ah, it's a bumpy ride.
Yeah, bro.
Oh, over there. Hand me the phone. The giraffe is over there. Oh, giraffe.
Speaker.
Wait, get ready to look. Genesis, get ready to look at the trail. Wow, this is actually fast. This is getting fast. Hold on. Over there. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's cool. Are those swans?
Those are swan boat things.
You gotta pedal them like a bicycle.
You have to pedal them like a bicycle, so it moves.
Oh, so it's like a race. That's a race.
Kinda.
Let's hope we can go on it.
We just have babies, so no. We might not be what? We're not going on that.
Hello, people.
Hello. Rather stubborn person.
Oh.
We're doing this. This looks so cringe, that man. That man right there sitting enjoying it. It looks so cringe.
Like fake.
You're ready to look at the rail.
Why are you aiming it down?
The other side of the river. Hi again.
That part was cool. Bro, the only animal part is giraffe. I've never seen a giraffe. Stop it right there. Oh, turning. Look, over there.
we stopping? We stopped. We're in the caves underwood. We're back out of the cave.